Hey Drishti, this is another random reminder video for you, and especially for the time when you're confused, you're distracted, and you're thinking about giving up. Okay, so if you are into this phase again, if you're thinking of giving up, let me clear you one thing very clearly, that you can't do this. You can't repeat your mistakes. You have done this before as well when you were in your NEET preparation, and you've regretted it so much because that phase feels like you need escape, you need to came out of that situation. That's why you gave up actually. But this time don't repeat this, because it's the not same thing again. It's not the same situation. Now you are 22 and it's been so like you are, you know, you're going behind in your life every day if you're not working hard, if you're not doing your stuff that you're supposed to do. Okay, it's 28 February 2026 now, and from this day you're having 6 months for your exam, approx 6 months. Okay, so you don't have enough time to waste, and let's see कि इन 6 महीनों में how much work you'll do and कितना achieve करती हो. But if you're seeing it the time when you are thinking of something, you're having lots of ideas in your mind and you're thinking like you're having lots of thoughts कि मुझे तो ये करना है, वो करना है, मैंने तो कभी ये लाइफ नहीं सोची थी अपने लिए. ठीक है, नहीं सोची थी. Whatsoever was there in your head, still in your head there are lots of things, I know, but keep this in mind. Till the time you are not independent, till the time you're not free from your parents, you are not earning, you are not taking your expenses yourself now, you can't do anything. Like whatsoever the ideas are there written in your diary, in your notebooks or wherever, ये ideas धरे के धरे रह जाएंगे, सब दिमाग में रह जाएंगे. They're not of any use if you are not into the position, if you can't execute them, and you know that you can't execute them, you can't do anything on them till the time you're at home. Fine, you're dependent on your parents this time, and like you have made them so stressed from your side, they are not relaxed. So first of all, try to make them relaxed, try to make them stress free from your side. Be the girl, be the independent girl, and be the proud daughter and the proud sister. Like जिसको कि you know, अगर कोई भी डिसीजन ले तो पेरेंट्स can't deny that. Fine, and you know that they always supports you, whatever you say, whatever you want. But if you're not doing anything now, how would they support you? And you'll say कि मुझे तो ये करना है business and I'll need that fund. How would they support you, man? I mean, girl, how would they support you? So you know it all clearly that you don't have any other option. The only thing you have to do is you have to be independent. अब वो कहते हैं ना कि जब तक you are not independent, you're not earning, the only thing you have to focus is you have to earn money. I'm not saying that be materialistic enough, don't chase your passion, forget your purpose and everything. No, but you have to do something now, so that you are like you're so in control of your life. Your controls, your decisions are in your hand, are under your control. Fine, so be that girl, show up enough courage and be bold and confident, and be the girl who takes her own decisions. And this is possible only and only when you are an independent girl. Please don't repeat your mistakes, don't waste another year, don't waste this time so that you'll be regretting again. Fine, and it's your loop, like it's your habit that once you decide something, you're working so hard, and the you know that phase of the result is very near to you, and you just gave up on something suddenly. Don't repeat that mistake again, because you have repeated it so many times. Drishti, please, it's my request, be enough courageous, be the bold one, and be the strong headed and obsessed, and behave like that in the reality which are in your head. Don't just think that you're that bossy lady or the girl who takes her decisions herself, who don't listen to anyone. Be obsessed in reality. Fine, it's not that you're just thinking something into your head and you're not executing them in the reality, because this is not the reality if you're not executing them. Don't procrastinate, don't be so scared of anything. There is nothing which you can't do, and you know it, that you have so many powers, you're having so much things to do. And if you're behaving like a coward now, it would be so shameful for you, Drishti. So don't repeat that mistakes again and again. Please study hard, study hard, study hard. That's the only thing you can do now, is please work enough hard, and don't create any situation for yourself so that you'll be regretting it again ki yaar, I would have like it would be something else if I would have studied so hard at that time. Don't be like, don't put your into that situation again. Fine, now you're 23, you have to get this job, and you have to make your parents relaxed from your side, and be the supportive daughter, so that he'll be so proud of कि हाँ मेरी बेटी ने जो कहा था वो करके दिखा दिया. And don't forget that you have promised from your father, you know, that argue, remember it clearly. December 2025, it was your debate, it was the argument with your father, and you have promised him that you'll be escaped out of this house within 1 year. Don't forget your words, and be the girl who stand out on her words. Be the girl of your own words. Don't forget that argument also. That was the June 2024, when you have said him that you'll be owning the Rolls Royce worth 5 crore rupees. Don't forget that. Be the girl who works on her dream, who works so hard, not scared of anything, so fearless. And like, see now, if you'll be achieving all of these things now, like if you'll be out of this house, if you'll be so free, you'll be able to afford that luxury hotels, that cab bookings, and everything. Like, you'll be able to afford everything, and you'll be living the purposeful life. You can bring change in the society, you can start content creation, whatsoever. So many businesses are there in your head now. You will be able to execute them all by your own. For that, all you need is to go out of this home. So please, this is my request. Don't give up, don't behave like a fool, and don't try to escape of the situation, because this is the need of an art, that you have to study hard, Drishti. You have to study hard. So please don't give up. Please study so hard. And this is the do or die situation for you. Let's prove it to you, to your parents, and to God that you are really deserving. You are the one who is, if obsessed with something, achieve that at any cost. So let's see what's beautiful surprises are waiting for you. And let's not forget that if you'll crack this exam, if you'll get this job, it would not only be the job, it will not only be the thing that's giving you the financial freedom. It would be much more than that. Like, you know, your father will not be able to say you again that कि तुमने लाइफ में अब तक किया ही क्या है. You just speak and that's it. बोलने से कुछ नहीं होता, कुछ करके दिखाना पड़ता है. So be that girl जिसने करके भी कुछ दिखाया हो. And yes, please, Drishti, please be the proud daughter, be the bold and confident version of yourself, who you are always in your head, in your mind. Behave like that. Behave like that obsessed, focused girl which you were in your school time. So good in academics, so good in everything, so focused, not distracted. And yes, so behave like that. Please, Drishti, it's my request, because I know you always take so impulsive decisions and then you regret. Don't take any impulsive decision again which you think is just because you want to escape. You're taking that. Don't do that. If you are suffering so hard, like, you know, I just want to get out of this situation, keep your mind calm and think that this is the time. Now only this situation will pass, this time will pass, and everything will be good. Lots of surprises are waiting for you. A beautiful, happy, purposeful life is waiting for you. Your parents are waiting for your success. Your siblings are waiting for their sister to give them pocket money. So at least please उनके लिए कुछ कर ले, so that they'll be happy कि हाँ दीदी please pocket money दे दो दीदी. Be that proud sister now. Please, 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 Trusty. Don't stick again. Especially don't do that mistakes that you have done before as well. Please, I'm begging to you. I'm begging to you to work so hard. You think so many things in your head. You can do. Still distracted, still procrastinating. What are you waiting for? कोई आने वाला है क्या तेरे लिए? मतलब कोई आने वाला है क्या तुझे ये बोलने के लिए कि okay Drishti, this is the opportunity for yourself, and if will be if you want you can do it. Otherwise you don't need to do anything because you're a queen. It's not gonna happen, girl. It's not gonna happen. It's gonna happen only when you'll be working hard and you'll be winning in your life, and for that you need to be strong headed girl. You have to behave like a strong mindset girl who decides whatever, who commits whatever, proves that, achieves that, and works so obsessively. Be that girl. Okay, so don't behave so silly. Don't be so foolish, Thirsty. Please work hard. It's my request to you. It's my request to you. Please work hard. And yes, see you. Bye bye. Work hard and don't think much. Just study. Present on your present in your present moment. Don't think much. Everything is not under your control. The only thing that's under your control is your work. Focus on that. God is always with you. God is always with the lovely child, Trusty. So, work hard and be ready for success and for favorable results. Okay? So, let's end this with a happy note that those who challenge themselves, those who push their potential and limits always wins. And success doesn't cares about potential. It cares only about if you have put in that much hard work that it needed. Okay. So yes, let's end it with this beautiful note, and bye bye. See you, and see you again after your selection in your SBI PO, IBPS PO, and RRB PO 2026. So bye bye. See you again. Bye.